Waiting until January to start your patent or trademark project. It's a really common thing to want to wait until January, not start anything new now in December when everyone's thinking about the holidays, et cetera, et cetera. Three important reasons why that is not likely to serve you and things you may not be thinking about. So number one, most important one, is that with intellectual property, patents, trademarks in particular, the priority is everything. The priority can be the difference between you getting what you want and getting nothing, and everything in between, because it's all based on first come, first served. So if there's no real reason to wait to January, you're doing yourself a huge disservice, and you may be giving away territory that you otherwise could have by waiting until January when you can do it now. Also, if you think about starting in January, then in reality it probably won't get filed until February because things come up. You'll be busy with all the stuff that happens at the beginning of the year. Do it now, and then you can start January with everything filed and protected. That's really the message I hope you're getting from this video, is to really think instead about starting the new year already protected. As soon as you file your patent pending, your trademark pending, you have peace of mind protection. So keep that in mind. And in many cases, you also have some passive protection as well. So how about starting the January with protection already filed? And that way you can focus instead on launching all these things that you're planning on launching in 2026. All right, so that's the first thing, priority. There is no amount of money that can buy you that time back, so don't delay. Do it now. Number two, another really important one is taxes. So investing in your intellectual property, these are deductible business expenses. Talk to your accountant about whether it's a tax advantage, like what your tax situation looks like, and do some tax planning. And in many cases, I've had people say, I want to pay into my retainer before the end of the year because I'm trying to get some extra expenses. So definitely think about that. And then also ask your accountant in particular about patent expenses. They do count as R&D, or at least they did the last time I looked. I'm not an accountant. Please talk to your accountant. But they should understand that patent expenses are, they're subject to, or it is available to you to have flexible tax treatment for patent expenses. So take advantage of that and look at doing that in 2025 so that you can get that to offset 2025 income. And then another thing is really just for your key brand elements. If you're putting together a marketing calendar and planning marketing launches and of various different campaigns for next year, or launching products, think about getting those key brand elements cleared and protected before you start the new year, at least for your Q1 things. So, and if you want to have a meeting with me about how to plan them, Q1, Q2, et cetera, I can help you prioritize, triage, and kind of plan them out through the year. But this is one of those things, as you're doing your end of year planning and your 2026 planning, which hopefully is mostly already done, you may have neglected to think about your IP expenses and your IP plans. So this is a great time of year to do that. Many times we have some extra time on our calendar because so many people wait till January. January we're going to be slammed. So take advantage of the extra time that we have to sort of help you plan and get things in place. And ideally, especially if you've got some income you need to offset for 2025, start your IP project in 2025. Let's get it filed in December so you can start January protected. Again, Catherine Cavella, IP Works Law. I hope that was helpful.